Hi guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is video number 41 for gym management system in Django, and in this video we are going to work on the pricing page. Okay, so what we are going to do in this page, we will check that if user purchased this package, then this get started button will not show. Instead of this get started, we will show that already purchased. Okay, so we will show that. So I have divided these things in two parts. That the first thing we will check if this specific package for this specific logged in user purchased, then here we will show already purchased. And we need also check that if this package validity is expired, then this also will show package has been expired. Okay, this will show package has been expired. Okay, so we will do these two things, but not I will do only first thing in this video, and then we will do another thing the according to the date. Okay, so validity, we will check the validity according to the date in the next video. Okay, so for the first one, like, we have to check that this package and this logged in user purchase this package or not. Okay, so how we can do this? So I will make a flow for this. So what I will do, we will pass data from template to a custom tag. Okay, so we will use the custom tag. I will show you that how we can create the custom tags, and then we will check that this package has been purchased or not by this user. Okay, so the first thing, we will create custom tag, then we will perform the check. Okay, check package purchased or not according to user. Okay, so in this video you will learn that how you can create a custom template tag, and how you can perform the things in the view section. In here you can see in the template section. Okay, so let's open the we will open the pricing page. Okay, so we will implement all the things here. So now what I will do, I'm not going to do anything in the pricing page, but we will create here new folder. In the main, we will create template tags. Okay, and in this what I will do, we just need to create the initiate.py. Okay, initiate.py file, and in this we will make it empty so that it will behave like module. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now the second thing is, we will create new file, and the name is check package. Okay, and let's open this. And in this what I will do, I'm going to register a template tag. So from Django import template, and then we will import our model, because uh, we need to do lots of things with the model. So import, we will import subscription model, and we need to import subscribe sub plan actually. So this is plan and this is subscription. Okay, and because we need to find that the package has been purchased or not, so we are saving the data in the subscription, and this will use for the plan. Okay, and we also need the user. So because this user is created in the auth, so we will say Django dot contrib dot auth dot models import user. Okay, simple. Now we will say register equal to template dot library. Okay, this thing. Okay, so these are the standard things. Then we will register the template tag. So register dot simple tag. Okay, and then here we will define the function. So this will be check package, check user package, check user package. And in this we will pass two things. The first thing is user, and the second thing is plan ID. We will pass this from front end. I will show you that how we can do. So we need the object for this, we need the instance for this, because if you see in the models.py file, let's go to the subscription. Here you can see that where it is here, here. So we need to fetch this data subscription data according to the user and plan. so we need to define the instance. So I will show the instance user equal to user dot objects dot get id equal to user id, sorry, user id, and plan equal to models dot subscription. We don't need to add models, we can simply say subscription dot objects dot get id equal to plan id. Okay, now we have this both instance, so we can pass this here. So let's say check package equal to check package actually this will be sub plan, not this will be sub plan, not subscription. So now in the subscription we need to find the subscription dot objects dot filter. We will filter and fetch the result. Okay, so it will always return the first, because we are using filter, so that we are using first, because if you use only filter then this will show as as a not as an object, but this will show as a list, and we have to run the loop then. Okay, so I'm using this first. Okay, so here this will be user equal to user and plan equal to plan. Okay, and now I will I'll and I think we should not use this first, we can just simply work with count. Okay, and here we will say check package greater than 0, it means package has been purchased, then we will return true, else we will return false. Okay, so how we can use this template tag in front end? So the first thing, we need to load this template tag, so we will load here. So the first thing we need to do, what is the name of this file? Check package. So we will say check package, and then the function name is check user package. So here I will show, let's after the list, not after the after the get started, we will show this thing, and we need to pass two things. The first thing is user id, and the second thing is plan id. Okay, so we know that in the request we have user id, and in the plan we have plan id. Okay, so it will return, let's see. So refresh this page. So check package is not registered tag library, must be, let's see here, I will restart this server. Okay, so refresh the page. So here you can see that this is true, it means this is purchased, false. Okay, so this is working fine. Now we need to add this get started in condition. So this is also a tricky thing, because we need to do, if you directly run with this if condition, then it will not work. We have to define this, assign this in a variable. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's see. So here we will define as check user check package, simple. Okay, so result is, now this result is saving in this variable, and now we can perform this. Okay, so in the authorization check we will say if check package, it means if this is purchased, then we will show something, else we will show something. Okay, so this get started button will go in the else condition. Okay, and then we will say simply, I will also add an anchor, but we will say already purchased. We will not define any id, but we will define hash, and here we will say primary, not primary, I will say dark, and let's say disabled, whatever you can style, this is your choice. I will say purchased. Now let's see here. So here you can see that, so this is disabled now. Okay, so we have completed our first step. Now in the next video I will show you that how we can check the validity. Okay, we will, because we need to define both things. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how we can define this check according to the date validities. Okay, so how many days are pending, and if the data if the days are expired, then we will show this this message that package has been expired. Okay, so I hope you have learned that how you can create the, this is a simple template tag. You can read the documentation and you can apply lots of things, you can modify lots of things. Okay, so I hope you understand all the things. If you have any query, any doubt, then please add in the comment section. I will try to resolve that. Okay, so I will say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, and please like this video and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you.